Hello.
If your boo,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm doing fine. Operation Green Leaves.
Okay, that's what I was gonna ask you.
Yeah, we're a non-profit organization where we plant trees in Haiti. And
And so are these items that you have on the
Yeah,
table any
the-
from Haiti, the
yes.
baskets?
these baskets were made from the kids over there.
Okay.
You could use it for jewelry.
Right, now what is it made out of? What kind of material?
It's kind of wicker straws.
Wicker straws.
Yeah.
Okay.
They kind of wicker straws. So you could use it for jewelry. You
Right.
could use it to put in your makeup kits and stuff like that.
That, right.
And these were handmade.
Yes.
And as you notice, these are necklaces.
Yes.
Were made from some of the Asian women. And
And so all the funds that you get from this goes back into the work that you're doing.
all the funds that we get, we use it to do pays for clothing that we send over there, food items and medical supplies.
Okay.
As you notice, this is our organization called Operation Green Leaves. We've been
Okay.
around September 29. We're going to be here for 19 years.
Outstanding.
And this is what we are doing. We
Yes,
are
in Haiti.
in Haiti. We're teaching them about the trees and educating them that when they cut the trees down, they should replant it back.
Replant, right, instead of just leave it clear cut.
Instead of just leaving clear cut, and then when the disaster comes,
Then
them
they
up.
mess,
Now, for
yeah, because you
example,
have the flooding and everything.
This is what the flood did to it right now.
Okay,
It messed it up real bad.
right.
And this is one of the Asian community right here. These
So
are,
this is one of the communities that you work with.
yes.
Now where is that? What's the name of that community?
Port-au-Prince.
Port-au-Prince, yeah, okay.
Yes. We have another place over there that's most people call it the Boondocks.
Okay, because it's outside the big city part,
yes,
right?
It's
But
in
what
the
is
village.
it? It's in the village, right?
the village,
Where it's still real rural and everything.
Yes.
Yeah, so they do a lot of harvesting of the trees out.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So what the kids, the grown folks over there, they cut the trees down to
Right.
make charcoals,
Okay.
and then they sell the charcoals and use that money to buy food.
Yes.
So what we are trying to do with the younger kids is educating them on the trees to know when you cut the trees down,
Yeah.
you should replant.
You got to
it back.
replant them, right?
If you don't have to cut the trees down, then don't
Then
cut
don't
it down.
cut them down, right?
And
So this is outstanding.
yes, the founder for the organization.
I was gonna ask, yeah.
Her name is Nadine Patrice.
Nadine Patrice.
She was born over there, and she moved here when she was 8 years old. Her parents live here.
And they live in Miami, Florida?
Yes.
Okay, and do you have a website for the organization?
Yeah, this is our card.
Okay.
And our website is right on the back of the card, right here. Excuse me.
Yeah, put the glasses on. Put the glasses on so you can tell us the right thing.
This is our website right here, and it's called www.ogl80.com. And our address is P.O. Box 5254, Coral Gable, Florida. The zip code is 33114.
Okay, and so that's where everybody can contact you so they can send donations or
Yes,
anything like
yes.
this and help out also.
Yes.
Okay, so do you do like mission trips too? Do
Yes.
people go over with you and help with the replanting and all of that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We also take the kids on field trips. Every year we have we pick a park, and the government sponsors with the money and the bus. And our last field trip we have like 350 people.
Outstanding.
It's a fun day. You get a free meal,
Right.
free entertainment, and you get a free T-shirt
Okay.
And it go on from about 9 to 5.
Yeah.
Say 9 to 4:30.
Okay.
Everything start packing up.
Right.
We have the park rangers who teach the kids and let them know about the various stuff in the park and various trees and the animals in the park. So it is for a worthy cause, and we're trying our best to do what we can do. It's not enough because there's a lot of unfortunate kids over there who's desperate need than these kids here in the United States. So we also do recycling when you like stuff that you don't need,
Right.
clothes and shoes.
And
We
things.
pick it up from you, we give you a tax write-off, the ending of the year when you file a tax and get your money back.
Right.
We clean it up nicely,
And
we
take
pack it
them.
up, and we send it
Take
over
it
there.
home. Very good. Very
That's
good.
That's our
your
mission.
work. So now, what is your name?
My name is Ian Curtis.
Ian
Curtis.
Ian Curtis.
And the boss lady name is Nadine Patrice.
Right. Now, what is your role with the whole organization? You have a title, you're a volunteer,
Yes, I'm one of the coordinator.
You're a coordinator?
Yeah.
Okay, outstanding. And so how long have you been with the organization?
Well, the organization has been around for 19 years, as I said, but I just started 2 years ago.
2 years, okay.
And I met Miss Patrice on a mission when she was sending furnitures over there from the last hurricane.
Right.
And we did have some furnitures. We sent it over there to some of the people who get messed up. And I was one of the volunteers.
Okay, for that
helping
whole
move the
part,
furnitures.
yes.
So I becomes a member.
Good.
And get involved.
Get involved.
Because I see
the needs
and the wants. But if the Asian community would just get together and be more closer to each other and look out for each other more, things would be better. Because nowadays most people are looking out for themselves, and there seems to be distance from each other.
Yes, too much individualism.
If we try to give each other helping hands, then we always become the strongest link. If we separate ourselves from each other, we automatically becomes the weakest link.
Right.
So if they would just unite more, get involved more, help each other more, things would pick up. Instead of this person over here is saying, man, I'm doing for my people over here, and this group is saying I'm doing for my people over here.
Right.
If everybody come together and do for each other,
right,
everybody becomes the strongest link.
Strong. That's right.
And that's what we're working on right now, and that's what we would like them to do. Get involved, help each other.
Yes, and make it happen.
Make it happen.
Yes, make it happen.
Make it happen.
So you're not just replanting trees, but revitalizing the people.
Yes.
And replanting a strength of oneness.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent
Yes.
job.
Thank
Excellent
you.
job, Brother Ian.
And
So
nice
this is
meeting you.
outstanding. I'm Queen Quet. So nice to
saw
meet
you
you.
yesterday.
You saw me
Yeah, I saw
yesterday.
you.
Yes,
Give a
man.
good performance.
Thank you, man. I'm coming back. I'm going to get some things. I especially got to get some basket.
Oh, okay.
And we're going to be bringing our festival down to Fort Lauderdale for next August. So we need to work together so that y'all can be there.
Yeah.
And so all our folks see that right there. Operation Green Leaves. You can't forget that logo. You can't forget that name. We definitely want to help out. The Gullah Geechee Nation has strong ties to Haiti for our long-standing history. So this is outstanding that we can help them with their mission here of environmental education of South Florida and Haiti's underserved communities, ecological restoration, and the reforestation of the island and nation of Haiti. And you see the website right there. It's www.oglhaiti.com. All right? So definitely, children, know this year that what's going on behind the camera. This year, the Queen Quet, and on the camera there, my brother Ian. Strength. One love.
She definitely said that.